Hi, I am attorney Tiffany Simmons, the founder of Simmons Law. Simmons Law specializes in business, criminal defense, and entertainment law. Now, as an attorney, we're always getting asked legal questions. So I thought, what better way to help our community than by answering those live for you? So today's legal question goes as follows. Will they suspend my license or put out a bench warrant if I miss my court date for an open container charge? Now, Ryder, that is a very good question because sometimes people miss their court dates due to situations out of their control. Now, if you've missed your court date, yes, you can face additional penalties. The judge or the court may put out a bench warrant, they may suspend your license. However, every case is different, so what I would do is contact the court clerk to see what I can do to reschedule my court date and get back on the court docket. I hope that answers your question, and if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us at 1-888-917-8387 or find us on the web at www.simmonslawpractice.com.